Wild encounters, when nature takes you by surprise. In the heart of the wilderness, away where survival is a never-ending battle, nothing is ever certain. Predators lie in wait, but even the smallest creatures can astonish us with their intelligence, speed, and courage. Strength often decides the victor, but adaptability and wit can turn the tide. The crazy rooster. This video is proof that messing with an angry rooster is a terrible idea. No one saw it coming. Raging geese versus cows. These geese were absolutely fueled by pure rage. Unfortunately, the cows had no clue what was coming their way. The power of the eagle. This moment will leave you speechless. Eagles are not just skilled hunters, they are powerful enough to take down a wolf. Kangaroo versus dog. This kangaroo was fully prepared to teach that dog a real lesson. You don't want to mess with a kangaroo in fight mode. Mouse versus chicken. Believe it or not, a tiny mouse is squaring off against a chicken. Who do you think will win? Massive swans. Seriously, did you know swans could grow this big? That's not something you see every day. Brave birds versus predator. These small birds gave it their all to save their friend, but against a deadly bird of prey, they never stood a chance. At Into the Wildscape, we bring you the raw, untamed beauty of nature. If you love these wild moments, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure.